guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we're doing some more upgrades to the BMW F10 535i M Sport. As you can see in the back here, we've done a lot already. MagnaFlow full exhaust system, carbon fiber diffuser. We did the emblem upgrades here to black. Now we just need to upgrade this one here, but I don't know if it's controversial or not. I wanted to upgrade the center caps on the 20-inch wheels that we have here for the Beamer. These are the, let me see, I forgot what these are the M Sport wheels that came with the car. It is a, what is this? Yeah, I thought it was labeled in here. But these are the 20 by 9s, 20 by 8.5 wheels. I thought they had a model to these. I'm sure you guys know what they are. I don't put them in the comments below. But you know, you drive this year round, and the center caps are starting to get a little beat up, a little corroded, and with us doing all the changes to the car, trying to change anything that's kind of chrome to black, on the forums I went and I found that somebody, Andrew, one of the guys on the forums, were selling the painted center caps and emblems. So it pretty much just paints this chrome piece around here. That'll go away. But also these are the floating caps, which I thought were really cool. Some people might think it's gimmicky, but I like them. I figure we'll run them and see how they look. So pretty much while the wheel turns, it has a weight in the back here, and as you move it, the BMW, oops, yeah, let me do that again. So as you move the center, yeah, so as you move the back part of it, the top stays floating and doesn't move. So I think that's really cool. Really easy upgrade. Got these on the forums on Beamer Tech, not Beamer Tech, the Beamer forums. I'm sorry guys, I can't remember the exact forums that I was. I'll put the link down below. This car is 20 by, I believe, 8.5, 20 by 9. We're running 275 30 in the rear and 245 35s in the front. Again, simple fix. I mean, not simple fix, simple change, right? We're going from this to this. This has the painted you know, outside edge, gives it a little, I think, cooler look, matches more with the car. Pretty straightforward swap. Pop these out and pop these in. There's suction cups that you can, if it's still on the car, that you can stick onto it and pop it out. I don't know how well those work. I always find it's easier to take the wheel off. It's a good time to clean the wheel inside and out, and then you're able to switch it to these new ones, which also just pop in. So let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, that's it. Pretty straightforward, right? So this is the before, and that's the after. Now let's get these wheels on the car and see how they look. Alright guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.